Hey guys, how you doing? Hope you enjoyed the unboxing at the start of today's video, which is a quick review of my new flight sim joystick from VKB, the Gladiator NXT Premium. This joystick replaces my Logitech Extreme 3D, which has been faithful to me for the past decade or more. Since I've been playing DCS more lately, I've been wanting something more commensurate with the aircraft I'm flying, but the Gladiator is a good upgrade for not too much coin. It is more than 5 times the price of the Extreme 3D, but a hell of a lot cheaper than other products on the market. But anyway, it's a good upgrade because the controls and the number of them are great, the software is highly configurable, and its fit, finish and feel is excellent. The fact that it comes with replacement parts and springs of different weights is excellent, but also kinda expected at this price point. Now, it's not metal, and that's probably the one major problem that I have with the stick. It's not something that affects the functionality of the stick, of course, and it is super sturdy, but it doesn't feel like I'm about to pilot an FA-18 when you grab hold of it each session. Regardless, it is without a doubt a great stick at its price point, where the higher tier products come from Vertical Controls, Windwing Technologies, and Thrustmaster with the Warthog. So if you're interested in taking a closer look at this stick, I've got links in the video description, and while you're there, smash that like button. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to chuck them in the comments. Thanks for joining me today, guys. Hit that sub button. Catch you next time. Bye. The software is highly configurable. Ugh.